So once you're done with the video and you've gathered your notes, so I've gathered quite a bit of notes from the video here, you're going to use these notes and you're going to turn to the right side for today and you're going to do what's called a sketch to stretch. All right, so you're going to go ahead on the right side across from the notes you took. You're going to set up your notebook like this. You're going to title it Arctic Tundra. Go ahead and do that. And what I'd like you to do here is I'd like you to use all your notes to draw a picture of what the Arctic tundra looks like in your mind. And if you have time, you can use color. There's not a ton of color in the Arctic tundra, but there is some. Think about what kinds of plants and what kinds of animals exist in this biome. Think about how you can convey climate through this biome as well. If you need to look up pictures of anything, so if you saw that they have lichen is one of the plants they have, but you don't know what lichen is, go ahead and Google it. Look at some pictures of lichen. Or if you want to include a particular bird or animal that you don't know what it looks like, you can go ahead and Google and look at pictures of those. It would also be great if you could do this like a diorama and you could label some of the things that you have in your picture. So if you're going for a particular kind of plant or animal, you can put a little name next to it when you put that into your image here. But be creative. You could also go back to the video one more time and look at the video and pause and look at some of the landscapes that you see of the Arctic tundra. But using the video, using your notes, using the internet to look up pictures of things, I'd like you to sketch an image of the Arctic tundra on the right side for today. I look forward to seeing your pictures.